Welcome to this field guide for modern electricians on understanding harmonics. This video will cover the physics, impact, detection, and mitigation of harmonic currents in electrical systems. To start, let's look at the basic physics. We're asking what is happening in the copper. Harmonics are essentially a corruption of the standard electrical sine wave. The cause of this corruption is the difference between linear and nonlinear loads. Linear loads, like heaters, draw a smooth sine wave. Nonlinear loads, such as modern electronics, draw current in high-intensity pulses, which chops the sine wave. Harmonics are currents at multiples of the fundamental frequency, like a 60 Hz fundamental. For example, the third harmonic is 180 Hz. When these combine, they create a distorted waveform that stresses the system. Why should we care about harmonics? They introduce hidden dangers, particularly within the distribution panel, that can lead to system failures and safety hazards. The impact on equipment includes extreme heat due to increased losses, causing components to overheat. It also leads to nuisance tripping of breakers and signal interference in control systems. A critical danger is the neutral wire in three-phase systems. Triplen harmonics, like the 3rd, 9th, and 15th, do not cancel out. Instead, they add up, causing the neutral current to exceed phase current, which leads to insulation melting and fire hazards. Harmonics come from many sources. Examples include VFDs, LED lighting, office IT equipment, and EV chargers. They are primarily caused by switching power supplies and high-speed power conversion. This additive effect is the neutral multiplier. In systems with strong third harmonics, neutral currents can be up to 1.7 times the phase current. Therefore, you should never undersize your neutral conductor. For detection, don't be fooled by average responding meters, which can be off by 40% when harmonics are present. To get an accurate reading on a nonlinear load, you must use a true RMS meter. Mitigation and solutions include using K-rated transformers to handle heat, installing passive or active filters, oversizing neutral conductors, and using harmonic mitigating VFDs to cancel distortion at the source. Harmonics are invisible, but their damage is real. Stay safe and stay accurate by using true RMS measurement and understanding how to calculate total harmonic distortion. Thank you for watching this video.